So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in surface level on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to ensure that you have edge panels enabled and that you actually have the tools option added to the edge panels. So to do that, open the settings app, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, look for edge panels and tap on it. Then you want to ensure that the edge panels are enabled. Once enabled, go to the option labeled panels, and then you want to ensure that you've tapped on tools so that it's selected and added to the edge panels section. So from here, you can now exit the settings app, and now all you need to do is just swipe to access the edge panel, then swipe again until you get to the one for tools. Once you're in the tools section, you should see by default it's set to compass. So in order for you to switch to surface level, you have to start by tapping on the three dots on the top right corner of your edge panel, and then you want to select surface level. Once you've done that, you can then see it's changed from compass to surface level. So if you want to calibrate it, you can just tap on calibrate, and then it will start going through the motions of calibrating the surface level feature on your edge panel. So just move your phone around as you go through the calibration. If you find you don't like how it is currently, you can just tap on reset and it will go back to its default. Then from here, you can see the X and Y coordinates of the surface level. And so that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.